What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, yes, we're gonna see what these old stock LMLs can do over here. I have never towed my trailer with the stock LML, and when I mean stock, this thing is bone stock. I mean tires. It's got no leveling kit. I think the only thing it really has is a amped power steps, and I don't know what kind of tonneau cover that is, but other than that, that's it. She's as pretty much as stock as it can get. So we're going to test to see, you know, first of all, how much this trailer is going to drop the truck. We're going to check the power, you know, gear ratio compared to mine, because this still has a stock 373s in it. It's extremely quiet. You can't even hear this thing. But you know, we're going to see. They claim not a problem. You know, they'll pull it, no worries. So we're going to find out and compare it to a deleted truck. Now, I'm going to go drive this right now. I'm going to go take it to work, and I'm gonna let you guys know on the way how this thing is just driving a stock LML compared to a deleted LML. Okay guys, so right off the bat, just driving this thing, I mean, these, I don't know if it's gotta be, these, either the shocks or these tires, one of the two. This truck is pretty rough. For a stock truck, this thing is not smooth at all. Not, you know, not even one bit. The back is just bouncing around. I understand there's no weight back there, but I mean, I think it's got to be these shocks. These shocks are not smooth for, I don't know, maybe daily driving, or maybe because I'm comparing to my Fox shocks, where these Fox shocks are 10 times better. All right, guys, we're leaving the shop right now. Sorry I cannot get any shop footage. We were so busy. We had a lot of problems over there today at the shop, so we're gonna head home and get this video started for you guys. Okay guys, so we just got home. We got everything. I've loaded in the trailer, filled it up with water, filled it up with fuel, stuck the Can-Am in here, as you guys see, just to mimic, just like if we are going to the desert. So everything is the same. Now let's hook it up to old Duramax over there, and well, let's find out and see how she does. But from the drive home, you know, not bad. Like I said, I can tell just she's a little sluggish, you know, and the gearing, I like the higher gear ratio in my truck a lot more than these 373s. And, well, we're going to find out how she does with the trailer. Also, guys, quick reminder and update. This truck is bone stock, so it has no airbags. You guys can see right in there. Just regular stock tires, stock leaf springs. Everything is bone stock on her. So we're going to take a measurement of how the truck sits now. We're going to see how much this trailer is going to squat it. So right now we got it sitting at, I'm going just from the top of the tire here, we're at 10 inches, exactly 10 inches. So now let's put the trailer down and see what happens. All right, here we go. Squatting. Okay, she's all the way down. Wood is loose. Lock that up. Oh, what do we got here? We got a what happened? What's wrong? This guy looks a little upset. What's wrong? Hey, what in the heck? Someone shit in here?
Oh my goodness.
What's wrong? Let the poor guy out. Let him run. Let me take this one sec, guys. Okay, guys, so we got the trailer hooked up. All the weight is off. Now we're going to measure and see what we got. Before the trailer was on, we were at 10. Now this thing is at 8. So this thing squatted 2 inches. Trailer's causing it to squat 2 inches. All right, so we got trailer on, trailer's connected. We got exhaust brake on. One thing I noticed though, you know, and this has got to be gearing. So when I let go of the brake on this truck, it will not, you know, go into it. Even if I give gas, I mean, look, the truck is still not even moving. Like, we're just still standing still, and I give a little more gas. So it takes about 1,000 RPMs, then we'll start moving. The biggest thing with my truck I noticed, I let off the brake and it will pull me, you know, all the way out of my driveway with those higher 456 gears that I have in there. All right, guys, so right away, the first thing I noticed is this thing does not have the get up and go. And I mean, I just left my house and I can, you know, realize that and feel that right now. Also, the bounce. This thing is bouncing a lot. That's where my airbags come into play. That's where I put airbags, so I don't have to deal with this bounce. But I mean, as of right now, I mean, is it a horrible ride? No, I'm just comparing it to my truck that's re-geared and that has airbags in it. Now, I mean, if you buy one, are you gonna have a miserable time towing? No, but I mean, this bouncing right here, this like waviness, this I don't like. This sucks. I would put some airbags on it right away. Gearing wise, right now, I notice this thing. It seems like it just doesn't have that torque there, and that could be also because obviously it's not deleted and because of the gearing. This still has the 373s. So now we're gonna hit the freeway and we're gonna find out and see what it can pull the grade up here. See if I can go up it in 5th like I can with my truck, or is this truck going to make me stay in 4th? I mean, so far so good. It's towing pretty smooth. Nothing crazy, you know. Let's ask my co-pilot. Co-pilot that forgot your pants. How do you think this is towing? Is this towing pretty smooth?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think you know? Would you recommend you put airbags and re-gear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you would. But I mean, overall, what do you think? You know, how was the ride in general? Would you say good, or would you say bad, or would you say okay? Yeah, okay. All right, that's good enough. So, we got a bunch of yes from it. That's good. Can you tell a difference, deleted wise and stock? Oh yeah, big time. Can you tell a difference between airbags and stock? Yes, big time. But if you purchase one of these trucks, will it do the job and pull this? Yes, no problem. It's pulling it good. It's pulling it smooth, you know. So, here we go. We're going to hit this freeway, climb up this grade now, and see what happens. And the truck is in 5th gear. Let me see. Yeah, the truck is in 5th gear right now, and I mean, my foot is pretty much in it. Oh, it just shifted. Okay, just shifted. My foot is to the floor. You guys can see that? Boom, to the floor. We're coming up. It's climbing. Man, this thing is slow. I'm sorry, guys, but wow, what a difference between stock and deleted. I mean, I don't want to keep my foot in it, but I'm going to back off just a little bit. But it is in 4th gear, still in 4th, doesn't want to shift. And the differences between mine and this, I'll just give you guys an example. Mine will pull this hill 5th gear at about 2,000 RPMs at about 70 miles an hour. This truck, if I manually shift into 5th, okay, I just did and it didn't let me. See that? It's still in 5th. So it's not going to get out of 5th. And it looks like if I keep hold my foot in it, it will continue to climb. So it's there. You got plenty of power. So this looks like this truck likes 4th gear. The majority of these trucks like 4th gear. It wants to stay in 4th gear. When this thing tried to climb that hill in 5th and I gave it a little more gas, it died immediately and it dropped it in the 4th and did not want to pull that hill in 5th gear. But you know, guys, I mean, like I said, at the end of the day, if you purchase one of these trucks, GM, Dodge, Ford, whatever it is, it's going to do the job, yes. Now, as of right now, stock to stock to stock, I've got to say the Dodge, the Cummins, that thing pulled the best out of all of them. And it's even got 342 gear ratios in it, so a lower gear ratio. But, you know, I think it's that inline 6. That inline 6 Cummins just produces a massive amount of torque. And I think that's, you know, why that thing is just a pulling machine. I mean, it's incredible the way that thing pulls. But, I mean, the GM did not pull bad. It did the job. You know, can you guys buy one and be happy? Of course. Now, is it worth doing all the upgrades that it did, the airbags and the gearing? Absolutely. I'm going to try to find someone with just a re-geared, which I don't think there's going to be anybody out there, but with a re-geared GM, that's stock. If there's anybody out there watching, let me know. But as of right now, I mean, this thing is doing great. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to get a bone stock L5P next. I'm going to do that test and see if I notice a difference. But as of right now, that hill, it pulled it in 4th gear. The max was about 65. I didn't want to go past 65. My foot was pretty much all the way in the throttle. I did not want to just keep holding my foot smashed in there. But when I did let off, it still pulled it. You know, it did slow down a little bit, but hey, there was nothing wrong. It did fine. It did great pulling the old big ding ding back there. What do you think? Hello? Excuse me. Okay, looks like my co-pilot just crashed on me here. Well, so much for that idea. Thanks, co-pilot. Well, there you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think of, you know, this whole stock LML setup and the tires, not gearing. You would drive it, have it re-geared, airbags, non-airbags, all that stuff. But I mean, overall did good. It pulled it, did not give it, you know, big problem. You can feel, yeah, is it like a deleted LML? No. But did it do the job? Yes. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.